أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بما بكونتنا. I just want to do a quick video, hopefully in the mail, as the topic says already. And near really Bajela exactly what I said. I just want to come and set the record straight because last night after this election, the amta nana kumol befo. Nyanta coming for nga feel like nga belefo. Just in summary. But it seems Anissa Mulbije Mialong Mampare Kokul understand. They just want to run their mouth on Facebook. Ya miracle fatal mujato leti bam fatal mumuneti by timu jambaro timalo. I don't know what these people think they have in their heads or what they can do to anyone or for anybody. Malo. Yeah? So this is why I decided to come out again because nga jeko modol bije hada madungo le nyawonya banda nga mera ko fali hakilo le bela wala nisi bino wala be kunto because me I am just sick and tired of explaining myself to these people. If you watch me after the December 5th, I don't do any more politics. Basonko, I don't do politics because nyanda political kela wato mina bantale intala jiroto. We've done the campaign tale nga election okay mol winter a bantale. What is left now is inauguration or swearing in ceremony of President-elect Barrow. Abanda. You don't see me running around promoting anybody anymore. Not whole bantale. Nga fu mole ndi mol minka diamu duma. Ni wol diamu tale. I've already explained myself. I'm not into politics anymore for now until maybe going towards mid-March when the National Assembly election will start. Campaign, if I'm not mistaken, according to the IEC calendar, I think it's going to start around the 14th of March, something like that. Right? But up till now, I don't understand why people are so into this politics. Political mialanka buka bang. Amon soto. Political mimbuka bang. Every political activity has a mission. New mission on ya accomplish the wrong. My friend, put your shorts down. That's what you need to do. Kela jorangol minyalonko you feel ko be bulle. Wo muta ye landi you ye next fanko nyimbaindi ni wato sita. Inyanta ka kelo minke in terms of campaign. Ye la political ke. Mote stock la. But every day, ba sonko this, ba sonko that. These people only have miraloko. Etolu so-called the No Alliance movement headed by this useless Lamin Tamba. Etolu yamera ko ntelangati etoluma election win. That's why bukan to bula no dakoro ila Lamin Tamba la wulin dingol fanan bije be wurla jana people like Amadou Badji Nyolo, this useless Jola Mansa Badji or Jola Mansa Jiba, Amadou Jiba. Yeah? Pamodu Nyolo. All these useless people. I don't understand what your problem is. Seriously. Malong alafta minela. Unless you explain to me, then I can know. Because you have been lying against me, including Atolfo Lamin Tamba. Lying against me, none of you. For the last 2 months there. Campaign wato bekeri wato mina. Lamin Tamba put out a post. I made it here last week. I saw that short video. I said it. Lamin Tamba when Kabira into block, what did he say? I can't tell a name, tell a cat name, I'm telling name can for Karinani. This post he put up on the 29th of October. 29th of October. I can't tell a name, tell a cat name for Karinani. Momi along continent man jotefam. Lamin was one of my closest guys. One of my closest guys. But he said I insulted him. I insulted him for 4 months. That's what he said. On the 29th of October, he put up a post. That time, he already blocked me on Facebook on all of my Intel account of the block. Yende report Facebook, Jande report Jande. Well, that's why Alkaja sometimes account could only use. Because now what they do is, they report me to Facebook. I have a debate with them, and they cannot contain it. The next minute, they report me to Facebook. Yena account sabol be muta ye be soro. Yeah, right now as we speak, Yenta block for 29 days. That's why I'm using this account. That's the only reason. But in the for the last 3-4 years, Nenema account of those as killing. Right until this year, Kabiri Yenta block. yem block le for 1 month wata nkana pare kata Gambia ntara Gambia no before mbita Gambia yem block. What is wrong with these people? Allah fta minela amay nte drone APRC MPP Alliance endorse bam. Why am I your problem? Nte damale nata nkoy ko nte nyana political banne kabiri the 5th of December 2021 when the IEC announced the election results. Ngala political banta wotole abanda tak. You don't see me writing anything for petition on me making with UDP versus IEC anim baro nyolu kata for whatever. Nta comment jele sometimes. Nta UDP nkol tonye. But do you see me write anything about the No Alliance movement people? No, I don't. So what is your problem? I've asked you here, not once, not twice. Lamin Tamba, nita mu keoleti, ila kunto city ba inimbasi face nyola. That's what we need to do. Stop running to your little dogs, talk telling them all kind of nonsense about me. Ite mu keoleti, ila kunto city ila beto la ye fonyo ka bodingin mo furiol ya ka foyo ko bas ya fo jane ko bas sonko insult president Jammeh. Nte bas nga president Jammeh ne mintole. Simply because you could not handle me. You decided to lie to your people in your forum. They send me the audios. Ngana mwale jampaka nye delete. All kind of nonsense. Ya fo jang basonko this, basonko that. Ngamune ke mola jang ala fonye. I see useless people. Ami this, ami Camera Smith. Disappointed in Bass. What have I done? Nta ngamune katola. Ala fonye ba. Awasanya. Nta nga falele. When I'm talking about people, I mention your names. Because taman sila momola. I'm not scared of any one of you. Dola Mansalemu, that useless little boy. Look at him. Musa Goligard, whatever. Small little boy. I'm a phone Hanala Kutro Farmers. I'm a Kutro Fangsano. Walk alone Facebook because of Lamin Tamba. He can't call na messenger. He can't name. He can see Dula Dokanafi. They just tag me. But I asked them there. These are the people who say they don't do personal stuff. But they can see Facebook. He can't name. Mahani more clean block. Who is more mature? Let them show me. Dola Mansa Jiba. This Amadou Jiba. Nana, a lot of phone calls, even from the forums, from APRC UK branch, can now for other forums like Patriotic Gambian Forum 1. Yeah? And in Lamin Tamba, face-to-face debate on me along wala exchanges that we have on Facebook. Nga bele ta nga be dundi la phone call. Go and check it. For those of you who are watching, go and check Dola Mansa Jiba's post. I mean, Safe, let Bass, I stop insulting Lamin Tamba. Why have I insulted Lamin Tamba? That's what I've been asking. For the last 3-4 months that Lamin Tamba said I insulted him. Me, I fell out with the guy since September. I fell out with the guy September. Nala call mantra kukiling. Okay, that's it. Ndenga minje ngajele. Mina ati na President Jammeh aman na Gambia fanisai. Because of idiots like Lamin Tamba. Na fi kol mini alon ko wolibe so-called APRC No Alliance for the Chorion. These useless people. Manta mo spare la sign. Nga lafta kero la tenato tema sign. I'll say pare. I'll be solma ya minna. I'll say pare because manta mo ali alfal bele nenjang. From Tabakari Tombon Jata, Alia Nenjane, Alia attack Daniel Kumajama be fa. He said lie se scammer. Keba mimbuko nyama. Alio Nenjane fal badara. I'll come from Majifang. I just decided to take my corner. Ngal jibal bala kulubale ya minna. Ale mo jamale nenjam. Kabo rambo nyol kata fo dudu nyol be. APRC kita ki mo di am tadong alta findal ke bane. Ale bas mo la femfo. But you people think ko fon tolu nyanta kasi international ngatara kelola furumu. Ndonga kelo banne. We know what was coming. Nko ko TRC fela finkida. Bare mbuka jal alka TRC attaque de. The TRC report. Mini ya tinanko aleko alinga tanteni President Barrow ye doku oke. Mimba tinada President Jammeh will come home in a peaceful manner, in a dignified manner. Abinala Gambia Cairo kono. Baratol solima ringol. Anala kulubalia. Al sida jale aliye na kebal nenjan. Alena kebal nenjam. That's what you did. Ka foko tombonyo le patita ya wafutu. Atule mune lom politikoto. All of you making noise from Lamin Tamba to that useless idiot. Gerendi. Allah sate, how many of you won? Allah fonyeba. Jumale win Allah sate kono. Even the phone that Albert Kibiri Kamina. President Jammeh won 3 of the 5 seats or the constituencies. Atole jele winje. But atole amela control mu follow leti. Oh, because President Jammeh said something. Ni President Jammeh diam control for nothing jeko. Aka mimfo. President Jammeh has not been in the Gambia for 4.5 years. Mimbe Gambia malo. But the same Lamin Tamba lying Pamodumbo, Abdou Jad. All these useless people. 95% of Gambia is behind you. 95% of Gambia is behind President Jammeh. I told me that's a lie. 98% of APRC is with President Jammeh. Or 98% of APRC is with the No Alliance movement. What was your result on December 5th? Kabili results were announced. This useless guy, Attorney Fang, Yaya Tamba. Now, I'm a fan political. The guy who was nothing but just an audio maker, an audio letter that draw, la voice tower to draw, he could President Jammeh draw. All of a sudden, he hijacked the No Alliance because Abdou Jadi Nyoluning and Bakari Saiwo Mini Alonko. These are the people who started the No Alliance movement. You'll be a Jenkins Karala. This useless guy came and became the leader of the group. I told him to kill him. You people don't understand. Lamin Tamba. I say 2 things. You are ignorant and you are small brain because what is at stake? It's a President Jammeh la Murumbalia Bilemba Fulale. President Jammeh should have been in the Gambia by Boxing Day. Who supported this APRC MPP alliance? They will tell you. If Ntolbe na follow president ala mbuka pare nunca diam because mbama ali tata jalna lena Facebook live ni na diamo talia dimbama adiam tay that's why te buka diam no fa sometimes na Facebook ali kam korosile it looks like somebody who doesn't know what to say because I'm trying to choose my words very carefully wo bantale sai momo lafta ko you want to come after bas mbe bas selelale lungolung I'll say pare kabiri side from our side Suleiman Singo Nyasi any one of you ali fintale fintisai alcohol basle attaque le ajibe albe batara ya minna kalkana mira ko atol dronde len drono mantete intete na la ka si Facebook kalning I'll say pare I don't care anymore Allah wuliya nga fale I've challenged you not once not twice if you say Basonko insult this person you say Basonko insult President Barrow or Basonko insult President Jammeh if that's what you said Basonko insults President Jammeh please show me whether it's in the form of a video an audio saferolem alaita nilla 2 months hani mo kilima bondi nde President Jammeh ne ato left the President Jammeh kata binteti ba ato lem APRC dinkendol te kata mi tombo njata dol kata fo rambo nyol mi yalla ko lota jani meyo koliñol ato mu solima tan mon kulu wala nam kal jibe ngal bulaje I don't want to talk but nta alente lonne de anybody in the UK here ndol kata na APRC mituna in Birmingham or Warsaw or anywhere ni alien lonne nta ko bori mola lafta kam mi fon ka fa aliamoy ntabuka bori mola tonya na tanga tonya funyo I don't care who you are but ntabe na diamola la min tamba every single day Basonko insult me you follow me alonko where is the evidence why can't you ask him I have the post here I mean something because of President Barrow oh Basko nate President Barrow support any dala kumandi wulola wala kalko follow le malti Falol, if you don't understand what a coalition is, Ninta President Barrow support, Nta bola APRC le, Nata MPP. Yala atol mu falol because Alkumo Lukatama. Atol me alonko, you were supporting Mama Kande. Are you GDC people? No Alliance people. Atol mu GDC leti biba. Almanke APRC dimot. But Nta Fulana Kalmanke APRC dinti. Because you know why? Nta political awareness and not maturity atamita wala. Namil long almalong. You are stupid. President Barrow, APRC, under the leadership of Abakari Tombon Jata, the right honorable, na alliance leke, alliance, coalition. Molia waleke, Tata election wala, winter. Atol Tata with Mama Kande, first Altata with Gano, Alokol Mawak, Alokol Korsalon ko Jante, Altata with Mama Kande. You are the people who misled President Jammeh. I told them. Because don't let me fall in okeno. Tandu today, President Jammeh would have been home. But I'll dunk a tolu. I'll mol mini alon alman fellow. alma felong kasika alfal neng lungolung wala mala do koti because motije awasanya ajuma yara way na ngafulu ko awasanya for instance jumale bijang awasanya ma mimbane who amaji be itamu jumalti ngoko lumina ay seni jamel neng president jamel fa la blood brother lumina ya neng te lungo ngam bulo ko ngala ka meta bon nen tombon ay right honorable Fabakary tombon jata nen jande ay rambonyol ba nen jande even na APRC UK chairman o ba nen jande bakso jaite ise konte dudu jañol be ay bebe ba nen jang ni wo wilta bi wo dankato dingo wilta kaka ba son ko nek ndanya ndaka kam fa wala or you expect me I'm not those useless people like Suleiman Singo Nyasi who will want to trade blows insults with women e ka si ni musol ka nyo baning nte be okela nte fonte mon times nte mo wato soto I don't have better things to do. Or because you see me every time I'm writing on Facebook, you think my life sort of outside of Facebook. Because I don't follow it, I don't follow me caring. But I know ka diamale, I told camera ka tole fengo long katami mol beti. I don't know what is it that you want. I love famina mile long. I don't know. Nte bas, I don't know. Finally, I explained it. But like I keep saying to you people, if anybody so run his mouth on Facebook telling Basongo insulted Lamin Tamba, Baso, who the hell in fact is Lamin Tamba? But let him produce the evidence. Coming at me for Alta Jola Mansa Jiba. Go to his post. Nana Fewol Be Jurmaje. Some of these things are private conversations. Lamin Tamba insulting me, calling me names and everything. Huh? Our sign ko ite ila malong ino munko denali berekilo. Have I ever insulted Lamin Tamba? I've never. A lot. He called me in Jola. He was writing stuff in Jola. ANA, Ekumbai, Ekana Mukere. All these things. Comme depuis là comme là ko di Lamin Tamba mu yel manu muy kam ko le ko bamban. Nje politique be bamban. Kabiri December 5th the la ko mene be erek anoma madima. So you just like I said here last time. Right? If Lumo is going to be next week, Lumo, iteke la marchandise ota ika advertise Kabiri inside. Lumo is next week Wednesday. Kabiri say tebe la bagaso advertise kan ya advertise. For Lumo day, ya samba J, Moma sang. Molbe share nyami. Hundreds of thousands of people. Mome la marchandise so sang. Lumo banta 3-4 days later, 1 week later, you are still advertising. That's what these people are doing. Imam political law. Ibe sila dulato ibe nonsense of ibe alfal baning nang ibe mobe nan ibe mobe nan. Eka diamu you go na people mimbuko 4 day chore ala age be dami. Somebody who's have taken the lead to condemn Lamin Tamba. No. Nya mo nyanta understand Lamin Tamba mankulu Gambia. Lamin Tamba mankulu Gambia. Aka kumol min fo the right honorable Fabakary Tombong Jatta ka fola faye mi awulu ate o fola Lamin Tamba akuluta Gambia awuluta Gambia akuluta je ngoy ko mo mi atara awuluta Gambia e 40 je 4.5 o level yo okay itata course do okay fo ye do ku ndinke Gambia o man kulu Gambia wo be how many years le jandabe bulan Gambia Lamin Tamba yes he spent many years here more than 20 years here aben UK gam o matina janjikota amon kulule dra man fello bana la wuli ndingol ni ala ko na fm fodro bo leka bori ba fola ko ha atete Lamin Tamba ba sonko shop inserted Ami Smith seriously suma sistanga wa dama ne by the all the dimension suma tour man ma yo amuñ affaire amuñ any business. Stop talking nonsense about me. I don't have any business with you. Yo jigen nga understand nga am na góor yoo xamante ne da mënuñoo odu seen malaan ñu mënuñoo taka seen tubéy ñu fees ba sonko takul ko ñu daw si jigéen ñi rek pour ñoo di xeetal ñoo xamante ne you know they don't have anything against me but dañ bëgg rek pour jaxase maa yéen. That's what they've been doing. Lota yow I remember one time I watched your video and you were talking, you know, I commented probably 1, 2, 3 like Majena, man, no, I don't want to even know because people are poisoning your mind. So buge ham koy ba sonko call ma ñu nekk di wet all the time. I call them. These people I call them on their billahi wallahi talai. I have their WhatsApp numbers. I call them, they don't pick. But they will run to Facebook and talk nonsense. I don't block them. They will run to Facebook and talk nonsense about me. But when I call you to clarify issues. Somebody told you this is not true. You don't want to pick my calls, but you are still running your mouth. Why should I waste my time? Why should I waste my time? I don't have time for idiots. Seriously, some of these people, they are so insecure. What is it that Bas Sonko wrote that is making you people lose your heads? I don't know. You need to explain to me. Or you tell people. But if I said, let's say Lamin Tamba insulted President Jammeh, or Lamin Tamba said this about President Jammeh, or Lamin Tamba was fighting against President Jammeh for at least 15 years. I have the proof. I put it out on Facebook. Everybody saw it. That's what I need. Show me where I insulted you. Show me where I insulted President Jammeh. Also show me where I also insulted, where I even attacked President Jammeh. It is a President Jammeh kanu katambintete. None of you. I'm otije. When bring President Jammeh bidang. UDP call. Kuma tije imam infonte. Kuma tije imam infonte. Nte bas. Yembane njani yente treti jam fo mbama for the first time. Mbama mialan kadena mante call. I am called and I ko kana na Gambia nka ko yo. I was coming to follow you. I ko kana na Gambia. Because nka mi moy. Even in the Facebook. And what people are saying, different airport they will arrest you. Nka ko no. Na sister phone young call. She told me the same. Mero ko nga fo ko kana nka ko yo. Bara ko ko ngalo ni ko jata you will come. Nka ko sis. Nka ka la ha joto poto. Ma moje mi bente stop la to come to Gambia. And I went. Someone that you know the next day, in Gambia, I think around 1 o'clock in the morning, because I traveled with these people were Air Morocco. All I flight after one month for them, I don't know, something like that. But it's who told him for the day, right? The next day, someone at 6 o'clock, not deciding to call. Not telephone, because I always have the same number. Since I have my Gambian number, Gamcel, ask anybody who knows me. But don't call them Minto Gambia. You understand? The same number I have, that Gamcel, Nenama Fire, Bimbule. Nimfora Gambia drone, the moment the flight land, Janinka Dung Airport in the Gambia, Nka Bondilanga Dundi, na telephone. I still have it. The SIM card is here with me. Same number. Sometimes model BJ me I you might understand. Nka futa Gambia, Janinka futa Swokon. Mol can call. Yeah, like now why ka fanya ko for nyini alone ko no na fe no ko na be diamol. Yeah, by number this is the same number, he knows my number. Nena man number 5. But the politics of